In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop files from automatically uploading to OneDrive. If your desktop, documents, or pictures folders keep syncing to OneDrive and you'd rather keep those files stored only on your computer, this process is very straightforward. We'll go through the settings that control folder backup so you can decide exactly what gets uploaded and what doesn't. To begin, look at the taskbar on your computer and click the OneDrive Cloud icon. This is usually located near the clock in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow that shows hidden icons. Opening OneDrive from the taskbar is the easiest way to access its sync and backup settings. Once the OneDrive panel opens, click the gear icon in the top right corner. This opens the settings menu for your OneDrive app. From there, select Settings. That will take you into the main configuration window, where you can manage how OneDrive behaves on your device. In the Settings window, click the Sync and Backup tab in the menu on the left side. This section contains the options related to file syncing, automatic backup, and how OneDrive handles important folders on your computer. If files are being uploaded automatically, this is the area you'll want to review. Next, click Manage Backup. This opens the backup settings for common folders that OneDrive can automatically protect. Typically, these include folders like desktop, documents, and pictures. If these are turned on, OneDrive may continuously upload changes from those locations. Now, toggle off the folders you don't want to back up. This is the key step. Simply switch off each folder that you no longer want syncing to OneDrive. Take a moment here to double check your selections so you only disable backup for the folders you actually want to keep local. Keep in mind that turning off backup stops future automatic uploads for those folders, which can be helpful if you want more control over your storage or privacy. After that, click Save Changes. This applies your updated backup preferences and tells OneDrive to stop automatically backing up the folders you turned off. And that's it. By adjusting these backup settings, you can prevent specific folders from automatically uploading to OneDrive while still keeping the app installed on your computer. If you found this helpful, this is a good setting to revisit anytime your sync behavior changes or after setting up a new device.